Hey everybody, Kelly, Flip with Kelly coming at you. How's everybody doing today? So yeah, I was just thinking here this morning that we had some really good success back in 2024. I've been kind of studying the wholesaling space for a while, and all of a sudden in 2024 it just exploded. Like in 6 months we did 100,000 in revenue, and I think it was month 7 or month 8. I think we were up to about 130,000 in revenue. So all of a sudden, just from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, everything just went crazy. So, and a lot of that was through just kind of being in the game and keeping my ear to the ground and learning. And then, like I said, things took off. So, and now since that's happened back in 2024, now to 2026, I've got even more experience, and it seems like I just do this every day and get a little better, and 1% better and 2% better, and every day just learn something new, tweak, adjust, and refine and filter and dial it in. So, if you find that I was just thinking, like, some people spend hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands and eventually hundreds of thousands of dollars in marketing. And I know, like, when I first started out, I did some of that. Like, I spent thousands of dollars on sending out direct mail, and it's like, yeah, it's a possibility of getting a deal out of it, but there was a lot of it that was, now in hindsight, was wasted. So, and I just keep getting things dialed in better. So the idea is that you decide what market you want, and I can maybe help you do that, or steer you in the right direction, make some suggestions, give you some advice. And then take the lists that you want me to pull, and I can maybe give you a selection of this, and this, and maybe in your area at this time, it might work the greatest or the best. So is to pull a quality list, spend less in postage. You'd have to pay me for my service, so that would tack on an extra quarter or 50 cents per mailer, but reduce the quantity of mailers way down. So overall, you're spending less, and then you got me working for you. So I'm putting forth my expertise and having things dialed in, filtered correctly, and going at it, working smart, not so expensive, hard. So if this is anything that you're interested in, you can drop something down in the chat. Any questions? You can also go down in the description and contact me directly via WhatsApp. So I've got a link down in the description down there. So yeah, pretty exciting. I do use software. I manually pull government lists straight from the county. So, and I've got other ways of pulling lists as well. Some crazy ways that are coming out. You've got the newer technology. So yeah, hit me up. It don't hurt to have a free consultation, and then make your decision from there. So this is Kelly, Flip with Kelly. If you found any value whatsoever, or tons of value, just take a 1 ton, however many ton hammer, and smash that like button, and subscribe, bell icon, the whole 9. You guys have yourself a great day. Kelly out.